Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Today I'll be talking about the new AirPods which I just got in the mail. So here is my box, and now So here is the box of my brand new AirPods, so let's open it. So we just have a regular box, just regular packaging, and these are the AirPods. Okay, now let's get rid of the box. Here's the AirPods right here. Okay, now these are the Pro models. Very simple Apple packaging right here, all the Apple logos. AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. So now let's open them. Now we have this beautiful, has the seal, so let's pull it open. Best parts of opening Apple products is this amazing seal. So now the seal is off. Here's the pods. Now one hand, two hands. Okay, coming. Ooh, these are going to be a two-hand opener. Okay, now let's pull the box. Okay, now right here is the case. I'm going to put that to the side. And here's the beautiful Apple symbol. So this is designed by Apple in California. So what do we get in those? So we get the beautiful AirPods, how to work the AirPods, read that later. The health, safety, not in the mood to read these. Okay, now to the actual AirPods. Ooh, these are really nice, premium feeling. Okay, so let's put, so now let's pull the tab on these. Come on. I'm putting them the wrong way or something. Come on. Ooh, now I got them. And voila! Now these are beautiful. Ooh, oh, so nice. Okay. Now let me move this stuff out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here, and now we have a pull system. Let's see what it is. Now we pull it. Okay, at the bottom we have the what is it? It's it's Apple's USB-C to lightning cable right here. As you can see, this is the lightning cable. This is the USB-C, and on the other side is the beautiful Apple's proprietary lightning cable. Yay! Okay, there's nothing else in the box. No, this is not another TikTok video where I'm going to pull out a free charging brick. Now let's put that to the side, and we have these. So these are, these are inside. So these are Apple's ear tips. So let's open them. Okay, so right here is the small size, and see, focus. Yeah, this is the small size, and this is the large size. Okay, and the moment of truth, the beautiful AirPods Pro. As you can see, the light is going. Okay, now Okay, now I have my beautiful iPhone 7 Plus right here, along with my new AirPods right here. So now I'm going to show you how to connect them. Okay, so go in, turn on your phone, make sure you have Bluetooth on and the latest firmware. It will help out. Okay, now you open your case and let it sit there. Show the beautiful AirPods animation. I'm gonna put this right here. Bring this up for you guys so you can see here showing this. Click connect, connecting. Okay, show the instructions, media control, and noise control is showing. Yes, control center. It's showing you how to do it. Change between the modes. Okay, keep going. Okay, announce messages. Nope. And it's showing the AirPods. So I had it out for a bit. It's been charging for a bit, and now it's ready. Click done. Okay, so now it's done. So now I want to do the ear tip fit test that is available on all the settings to see if I need a bigger size or if I need a smaller size or if this is the perfect size. I have not changed anything on the ear tips. This is the original ones that Apple provided us when they ship each AirPods. So now here is my AirPods and here's my handy dandy 7 Plus. So I'm going to unlock my 7 Plus, and now I'm going to wear my earpods. The right in first, and then I go with the left. Okay, get the sound for putting it in. Okay, now I go into settings. I go into Bluetooth, and I now go to see if my AirPods are connected. So I click on that. It's in transparency mode. Click on ear tip fit test. Click on that. Click continue. Click play. Okay, make sure they're comfortable. Okay, they're pretty good. Hit play. Play the music for me in the back and stuff. Wait. And then I get it says good seal. Okay, beautiful. Click done. Let's talk about the case. The case is very premium feeling. Feels really nice. Only comes in white colors, as we all know. It's wide, but it seems premium. Has the light in the front, and it has the button in the back if you want to reset or for connecting with other devices that don't use Apple's technology. So that's the button in the back. Inside of it, you cannot see it, but right in here they have the serial number in here. They also have like the FC and then the symbol of the trash can to say do not throw this away. It also will provide you how much battery this case has, which is 519 milliamp battery, and also gives you your serial number, and it also gives you the model number. At the back it says it is designed by Apple in California and assembled in Vietnam. So now I'm going to take some time, listen to some music, and use it in my everyday use and see how they go, and I'll report to you guys back soon. Alright, peace. And if you're not already subscribed below and hit the ring icon so you get notified every time I post a video.